Okay, I made it to the bathroom. Cute hotel. Look at that. B&O Railroad. The railroad. Huh. B&O. That's so cute. This is a really old hotel, y'all. Look at that out there. Look at the railroad pictures. This is what the hotel used to look like. Oh, it used to be a grocery store. They got a cute little Starbucks. Starbucks. Okay, we're out of here. That's cute. A Grand Riverboat Era Hotel. The Gun Room. Interesting. Oh. Sitting over here. They have a restaurant and a bar, and there's the river. Got a piano if anybody wants to come play some tunes. Really cute. There's the desk you check in at. Wow. It doesn't smell that great though. It kind of smells like sewage. Like a very lingering smell of sewage. Okay, back to my birria, my traditional birria. That's what I ordered over there at Spanglish. That is a really amazing place down here in Marietta, Ohio. I'm only here for a short time. And it's called Spanglish. It's down on the river if you guys are ever here. And man, I had it last night. I had it last night for dinner. And guess what? I'm back for lunch dinner right now, and my order is ready, so let's go get it.
All right, here you go.
Could I get some green salsa?
You sure can.
Yum, yum, yum. Can't wait to get home and eat it.
Here you go.
All right, have a blessed day. Thank you,
Have a
honey.
blessed day as well.
All right, we're taking this home to eat. So good.